Okay, if you happen to have an iPhone and it fails after a certain period of time and it's still under warranty and you're with Rogers, you'll call customer service, determine that the fact your iPhone is faulty at some point, and then they say they're going to send an iPhone. That happened with me. I got the phone in less than 48 hours after I had made my last call to Rogers customer service. And this is what just showed up via UPS. You get a little box, and it says, "Help is on the way." No, help is here. We're sorry that your, if you can read that. We're sorry that your Apple iPhone isn't working as it should. This kit contains everything you need to get going as quickly as possible. They tell you to back it up and pack it up. And they give you instructions, and of course you get French and English instructions here. Very nice. I'll show you how to take your SIM card out. Give you a little, what's this stuff? I don't know what that is.
That there be some shipping tape. It's cut to those specific lengths, and you just peel it off that film and use it to seal up the box. The box you put your iPhone in, and the whole big box.
And 2 boxes. I'm going to assume this is an empty box to put my old iPhone in. Let me into the empty box. Yes, empty box. And then you get the phone. Oh, I need a implement here to open this up. And inside is a new iPhone with a serial number and an IMEI number. Not sure that I would need those for anything, because when you plug it into your iTunes, that number shows up automatically, and that's all that's in there, I'm sure. It's just a phone, nothing else. So that's it. Hello, new iPhone. Thank you very much.